In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Talkie AI not working properly or how it should. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Google Chrome, click on the three dots, click into settings. Now on the left hand side, find your privacy and security tab. Then to the right, under privacy and security, tap onto delete browsing data, history, cookies, cache, and more. Then want to go ahead, select show all, show more, and we only want cookies and other site data checked and cached images and file checked. Then from here, delete browsing data. We want to change the time frame from last hour to all time. Then click delete data. The next fix is to go ahead and, if you're using Chrome, make sure Google Chrome is up to date. So as you can see, mine is up to date. I just updated it a few moments ago. And if it isn't, go ahead and click on install the update or download or whatever it says there. Now the next fix is to go ahead and have a sus of your extensions. So click onto manage extensions, go ahead and disable every single one of these extensions, come back to Talkie and see if it works. If it does, that means you got an extension that's gone a bit rogue. So what we need to do is enable these one by one to find which extension is making Talkie AI not working properly. Another fix what we can try is go ahead and use a different web browser. So I'm on Google Chrome, as I stated earlier. I can go ahead and use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or whatever other browser you have on your PC. Now if it works on a different browser but not the one you're trying to work or make it work on, say for me Google Chrome, that means I've got an issue with Google Chrome, so I might need to go ahead and uninstall it and then reinstall Google Chrome, or if it's a different browser. So yeah, that's basically your options.